In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change to any other preferred region on your TikTok account. You can simply change your country location on TikTok in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your TikTok. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, select the option of privacy. Then tap right here on location services. You will have to first delete your recent location history. Then connect to any virtual private network. Choose any location. Refresh your TikTok. Then open up your TikTok again. The TikTok algorithm will start showing you feeds of accounts in your current location. And whenever you upload a TikTok video, it will always be first shown to accounts in that exact location. That's how easy it is to change your TikTok account to any location. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.